How to share your Word document to WhatsApp directly, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any document Word to your WhatsApp easy. So first thing you have to do, go to Word app. This is the home page as you can see. Now choose the document that you want to share, for example this one. And now go to the top corner right here and click on this share option, and now click share as attachment. Choose if you want it PDF or document, click, and now choose WhatsApp right here. If you didn't find it here, just swipe and you will find it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.